to another video. Today we have Flex tools just dropped. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, basically you search 24 volt and all the Flex bolt, the Flex tools come up. You're gonna get some cobalt because they are 24 volts. You go all the way down. You're gonna start seeing the pictures in color now. So this is the way that it's gonna look. We're gonna have some, obviously some Ego DNA, which is the green line or the green accessory. But this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. It does gonna have a green light on the battery as a fuel gauge, and you're gonna have some modes. Looks like some different modes there. Let's see here. If you guys go down, you guys got a mode selector there. Maybe this is a flashlight or a light. This is brushless there. Flex. Yeah, like I said, this is it looks like a 2.5 and a 5 amp hour battery. So this is a 24 volts fuel gauge there, and then brushless, obviously. And you got a nice bag there, and it looks like you got a charger with two different. It is a fast charger, it says here, so it must be a fast charger there. So on some stores, it should be already available. On this store, it's not already checked around my area. They haven't received them yet, but they are able to put in the cart if it says this item is out of stock. Notify you when this is back in stock. I'm probably gonna enter my email here because I want to get these for the channel, so I can put them against other tools. Obviously, we want to put them against DeWalt and Milwaukee. That's probably going to end up doing putting these tools against those. So I will see if I can get my hands on these and buy them for the channel. And also we do have different combo kits. So we do have the drill driver and the impact driver combo kit at $349. If I can go all the way down. Let's see here, where's that at? Alright, so this is another combo kit that they have. This is $3.99. This is a 4-tool combo kit. It does include the reciprocating saw. It does include a light, a big bag here, a reciprocating saw with the blade, and drill driver, impact driver, and a charger there. $379. It says low save percent eligible purchases made with the card. So $399, so it's $400. I think it's an okay price. Hopefully they'll have a sale on this, like a big sale or something. It says Flex Advantage 20% more, with 24 volt lithium, 25% longer runtime, thermal sensor, sensor free brushless motor. Every Flex bolt tool is built around intelligent sensors. Flex bolt 24 volt, 4 tools, 2 batteries, 1 charger. We got some sensor-free brushless motor. It's tool built in. So these motors are basically brushless motor. They're sensor-free, so they don't have a sensor. I guess they're like computer chips or something. This improves durability, efficiency of the control of reducing the overall tool size. You got 4 2 batteries. You got FX 1151 half an inch 2-speed drill driver, 750 pounds of compact power. And then you got the FX 1351 Hex Impact Driver, so a quarter of an impact driver with 1,800 pounds of torque and 3,400 RPM. So these numbers are not, like the Ryobi. Just comparing the Ryobi said is it had 2,200 inch pounds. This says it has 1,800. So this, I think Ryobi did shoot it a little bit more than what realistically, was able to do. I think these are gonna be the other way around. They're gonna be shooting it lower. They're gonna be trying to make the tool work a little harder, for the competitor there, as in the Walkies and the yellow tools. You got reciprocating saw orbital liner mode at 1/4 SPM, 4,000 RPM work light, 300 lumen for high illumination. Flex 24 cross compatible with Flex volt or Flex 24 volt batteries, chargers, tools, and a 5-year warranty. So they do offer a 5-year warranty. Register your new products, give full 5 years warranty on the flexible tools, batteries, and chargers. So it's not a 3-year. It's going to be a 5-year warranty according to Flex, or the ad here, they had got a Flex. So definitely check it out. Very interesting. We got to check out these tools, see how well they do. Let's see here. Let's see if we got any more pictures, any more combo kits here at the bottom. I don't know where the other combo kit went to. I lost it. There it is. So they got this one, $349, impact driver, big battery. It looks like a 5 and a 2.5. Charger in the back, $349. Obviously they're not available now, but they will be available. They're already at the website, so they're ready to. As soon as they're hit the stores, you guys can buy them. It says unavailable at Pure Lobes, so obviously you can put in the cart once it's available. 2-tool 24-volt max brushless combo kit, same thing. Let's check the other page here. See if we got any more. Let's see here. More. Alright, same. That's the same. This looks like the same. I wonder if this... Yeah, this is the same thing. Let's check the first page here if it'll... So I knew we were in the second one. Yeah, obviously I don't think it's good. Yeah, this is on clearance. If you guys didn't know, this is on clearance, $14.98. Alright, yeah, it looks like that's it. I don't think we're going to see any more combos kit for now. So that's it for today. If you guys want to, try Flex out. I keep saying Flex, but you guys want to try Flex. Make sure you guys stay tuned to this channel so I can let you know when these are available. We're probably, like I said, we're probably going to order some for the channel. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.